Father who art in heaven, hallowed be thy name. Thy kingdom come. Will be done on earth as it is done in heaven. Give us this day our daily bread, and forgive us our trespasses, as we forgive those who trespass against us. Lead us not into temptation, but deliver us from evil. For thine is the kingdom, the power, and the glory, forever and ever. Amen. Welcome to Remsef Training and Driving School. Another day to remind you of the offer. The offer that is running. Pale kwenye ulikuwa umeweka 2026 resolution, 2026 achievements, ongeza driving license. You are the age between 20 to 25. Umemaliza shule. Remsef inakupatia sponsorship ya 60% of the training fees and you pay 40% of the training fees. Here is the registration form. Come fill in the registration form. Our trainings will begin on 2nd of February. This offer is for 20 to 25 years. Wale ambao wamemaliza shule na kwa resolution zako umesema mimi nataka kujua kuendesha gari. Kuja Remsef Training and Driving School, get the form, apply, fill in, enda nayo nyumbani. When you are ready, bring it back. Ilianza kutoka tarehe 5, leo ni tarehe 19. Uko tu na leo na kesho to come and collect the form. If you are far na unaishi within Mombasa, you want the form, call us on 0758503109. Call us 0758503109 or WhatsApp us on the same number 0758503109. We'll send you the form, fill it, then bring it back in person ukikuja kuregister. Thank you so much. Kwa resolution yako umeweka nataka kununua gari 2026. Usisahau kununua gari bila driving license. Na driving license inapatikana kupitia kusoma kwa driving school, pitia Remsef Training and Driving School, jipatie masomo ya udereva na utapata kibali chako kitakuwezesha kununua gari, uendeshe gari yako ukiwa na kibali. Thank you so much, Madam Remsef, nawapenda sana.